Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I went to Inox theater in Galleria Mall, Yelahanka. The entry process is very smooth and ticket scanning is quick, making the experience is awesome. One thing I noticed is Inox is very clean. The lobby, waiting area, seating, washrooms are well maintained. If you see the interior, right, Inox, it's like a theater ambience and the interiors are very good. And also seating comfort and leg space is there, sound quality. So the main thing is the waiting area, lobby and the seating. Really awesome experience I feel today with Inox Galleria Mall, Elang. I hope you do enjoy.